In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an external rotation with a dumbbell. So firstly, what I want you to do is get a mat. You're going to be side lying and I'm going to have my hand supporting my head so I don't strain my neck during the exercise. Whatever side I lay on, it's going to be the other arm working during the exercise. For example, I'm going to lay on my right side here. Doesn't matter if I have the knees bent or the legs straight. I've got my hands in my head, so here I've got the whole weight of my head supported. I bring my elbow into my side, grab the dumbbell, and then from here I want a nice grip where I'm not flexing or extending the wrist. I want it nice and neutral, so don't come down or too far up. From here, once you've got the dumbbell straight, keep the elbow into the body as you come up towards the ceiling. Again, don't cheat by using the wrist, and slowly come back down under control. Back up, big squeeze, go as far as you can without bringing the elbow out of the position of your ribs. So we always want, when we're doing the exercise, that elbow to be in contact with the side of the body. Another thing you don't want to do is cheat by using your hips. So for example, let's say I'm holding the dumbbell, you get up to here, you can't go any further. A lot of people will then lean back and use their torso as well as their hips to give the illusion they've done a greater external rotation. So the hips are always nice and neutral. We don't ever move the trunk. It is quite literally the elbow moving up and back down. So let's do it one more time. Elbow locked into the side of the body, shoulder back, but we're not pinching the shoulder blade. And then from here, coming up, big contraction, and slowly back down. If you're somebody that you find the position here is quite awkward, some people actually prefer to put something like a pillow or a towel in there just to lock the arm in, and that way they've got a bit more support. So if you're somebody that has things like a hip dip or anything like that where you can't quite get that position into the side, you might want to trial this out with something like a pillow or a towel. That way it might keep that elbow a little bit more locked in when you're doing the exercise, especially if you're somebody that finds that the elbow's coming out of the position of your side when you're doing your external rotations. That's how to do external rotations with a dumbbell, and you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, starting off with your weaker or injured side first.